Hi, this is Kevin from Red Horse Garage. While it's still winter in New Hampshire, we hope to be back up to Mount Washington soon enough. Until then, you can still enjoy watching Motoramblings.
Hey guys, welcome back to Motoramblings. I'm Patrick.
And I'm Motoramblings.
And today we're going to talk a little bit about the motovlog community.
Oh, yeah. That's a great subject. You know, really cool.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm so proud to be a part of it. You know, it's awesome.
Exactly right.
Yep. And so there's a lot to talk about, though.
But before we get to all that, I gotta say, what's up with that haircut?
Yeah, I'm keeping cool. Yeah, this is it.
Yeah.
Spring and summer. Gotta stay cool. What do you think?
You're looking bald.
Well, yeah, it's bald, but I got rid of all that gray, old man. Yeah. See? Looking good.
What's wrong with my gray?
Your gray makes you look old, and this is...
Makes me look
No,
distinguished.
it makes you look old. This is sexy.
You're an idiot. Fine. I get it though. Yep. Summer riding, hot.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Keep me cool.
It's just a shock.
You'll get used to it. You better.
Sorry, guys. So, I'm going to talk a little bit about the community as a whole, but specifically Bob Nelson.
Oh, Bob. Yeah. He's the best. He really is the best. You know, he does so much for everyone else and so little for himself.
He really is. He's just a great guy.
Yep.
Never met him in person, but I feel like I've known him for a long time.
I know. Yeah.
Almost like having, you know, the big brother that's just down the road that keeps an eye out for me, but I never see him.
Speaking of Big Brother, got a little going on there, don't you?
Well, yeah. I'm the big brother now.
Yeah. We both are, though.
I'm working on it.
Yeah. We got a lot of work to do.
All right. We're working on it. I think you'll know that.
Sitting around.
So anyway, you know, he's such a great guy, and he's so positive all the time.
Yes, he is.
He's always talking about other moto vloggers, and
That's how we heard about Ginger Dash.
just reaching out and complimenting them and encouraging them. And
Yep.
he just, you know, he's that guy that you want to hang out with because you know that when you leave, you're going to be in a much better mood.
Isn't that the truth? Yep. I would love to just hang out with him for a while, because you're right. We'd be happier when we're done.
Yes, he did.
He shouted us out. Yes, he did.
It was awesome.
It was. You know, he talked about us specifically in one video. It was great.
And he's not the only one.
Very
I
true.
mean, many of you have reached out to us about the back issues and all that. And as of today, you know, I'm in physical therapy, and I
We're
think
in
things are
physical
really
therapy.
starting to improve. I think I'll be able to get back out on the bikes pretty quick.
Gosh, I hope so.
But yeah, you know, everybody's been great
Yes, they have.
about, you know, supporting me and you. I know.
We're going to get this right one day. Both of us, you know, we're a team, mainly.
And yeah, and for today, you know, we're specifically talking about Bob Nelson.
Right.
And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead. Go like his channel, like his videos, subscribe to his channel. I think you'll love it.
Yeah, you will.
When he pops out a video, it's a great video to listen to. The cadence of his voice,
Cadence of his voice.
and like I said, you always end up feeling more positive after watching his videos.
Yeah, you do. You know.
Mine, I think ours
Thank you.
have been a little bit of a downer sometimes here and there, other than this fun that we're having here.
Yeah, this is
Even with
fun.
that haircut.
Right. I don't think it's a downer.
So yeah, check them out. I think you'll really be happy you did.
Yeah, they will.
And as far as everybody else in the community, it's just amazing.
What
know,
else can you say?
I think we've done this before with some of these videos here where, you know, all over the world, people are, you know, watching, commenting to each other, and
it's great. I love it.
if somebody sees a channel they like, they put it on Instagram or they put it on their videos, and they spread the word, and that channel will get more subscribers. And it's just such a great community supporting each other.
Right, and it
that whole
snowballs.
support MVC.
Yep.
And fantastic.
Yep. You know, you help them, they help you, they help somebody else, they help somebody else, and it grows, and it grows all of us.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to say the least.
When we go to VAM, it really is. VAM 21 is going to be awesome.
Yep. Yeah, we did the back of the Dragon one time.
Yeah, we did that ride, and
Oh, I loved it.
oh, I did too.
I had a class.
Except for
It was right after I got the V-Strom.
yeah, it was, and then we lost
Right
control.
after we got
remember?
the V-Strom.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
Yep, and we did that one slide though. That was bad.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was scary.
Yeah, but we stayed up.
You know, it happens.
Yep. You know, and we survived. So it's a nice road.
Yeah, you know, that'd be really cool.
Yeah,
really
we need
to
to do it.
just take a ride up there before Van.
Yes,
Just maybe even meet Mr. G.
oh, that would be cool. Take a ride on the back of the Dragon. Yep, that'd be fun. Do it before Van.
Yeah, I suppose people are probably sick and tired of us rambling around as much as we have lately.
Nah.
Hopefully we can get back out on the bikes. Hopefully we can get back out on the bikes real soon.
I'm thinking we can, and I don't think they're getting totally sick of
Yeah,
us.
let's hope.
Not yet, anyway.
All right, you ready to try this again?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
All right. You ready?
I'm ready.
I'll start.
Okay,
Okay.
go for it.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate it. And I hope that everyone can stay well
Stay safe
and stay happy.
Motor Ramblings.
Motor Ramblings out.
Happy chat.